In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset and change your password in Microsoft Teams. Whether you've forgotten your password or just feel like it's time for a change, this step-by-step guide will help ensure your account remains secure and accessible. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Reset page. The direct link for this is https://account.live.com password reset. You can do this on any web browser of your choice. So open it up on your computer, tablet, or even your phone if that's what's convenient for you right now. This page is your gateway to getting your account back on track, so having the correct link is crucial. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your email address or phone number associated with your Teams account. This is your identifying information and is crucial for letting Microsoft know which account needs attention. Be careful to enter it correctly to avoid any delays or confusion. Double check that you've entered everything accurately before moving on, as a simple typo might prevent you from resetting your password successfully. Next, Microsoft will guide you through a verification process to confirm that you are indeed the rightful owner of the account. Typically, this involves sending a verification code to your designated security contact. This could be an alternate email address you set up before or your phone number. So keep your phone handy or check your alternate email inbox. You will need to enter this code on the reset page to proceed. It's an important security step designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. So make sure you have access to the correct security contact information linked to your account. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. It's crucial to choose a password that is both strong and memorable. Think of a unique combination of letters, numbers, and special characters that isn't easily guessed but that you can remember. Once you've settled on a new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it in again. This ensures that there are no typos and that you're confident in remembering it. Confirmation is a small but key step towards securing your account. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Microsoft Teams password. With security being a top priority, Microsoft has designed this process to be both straightforward and safe. Keeping your account protected yet easily accessible is essential. Remember, if you want to change your password in the future, this same process can be your go-to guide. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and easy to follow. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.